Charlie, 5 weeks, 4 weeks.
He's just a month old.
1 month.
Yes.
1 mois. Et il joue avec sa maman. Regarde.
Charlie.
Qu'est-ce
que tu fais?
Il commence à voir un petit peu la couleur blonde. On voit par exemple sur ses oreilles. Ça commence vraiment à devenir blond. Et son cucu aussi. Il va voir sa maman, il est content de voir sa maman. Et il y a ses petits frères et ses petites sœurs. Bonjour. Oh, il aime sa maman. Pendant ce temps-là, on a une petite sœur qui joue avec mes chaussures et mes lacets. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hein? Timide à la caméra apparemment. Oh bah oui. Qu'est-ce qu'il... En train de mâcher mon doigt.
It's teething time. Teething time for the puppies. Oh, was that Charlie?
Yeah, he jumped.
Did you just jump? And there they go back to chewing. I have 3 puppies chewing on me. What are you doing, little guy?
I just go buy stuff at Goodwill. This is just Goodwill stuff. Well, that's actually, somebody left this here. They wanted their dog to play with it, their puppy, and then they left it. And it did have a little squeaker in there. Hey, you come back. Hey, you come back. They can have hooves too. We can talk.
So this one I know. Where is the girl that's been doing it? This one has been doing it. Like,
She got literally just this one.
You can't get up?
Yeah.
Go on. Go on.
that's it. You still have the bag on there.
What did you do, Charlie? What did you do, Charlie? You got stuck between the rocks? Oh, there he goes. There he goes.